drops during the vital pitch. Photocopier jams with a stubborn hitch. Vendor delays shift the project track. Your encouraging note pulls me back. Flash drive vanishes in desk drawer maze. Unexpected client throws plans ablaze. Schedule fractures under mounting strain. Your thoughtful gesture eases the pain. Thursday hiccup throws a soft stride. Weekly surprises we can't subside. Moments falter yet we realign. Partnership turns chaos to design. Meeting runs over time past lunch bell. Colleague conflict rings like a sour spell. Budget variance sparks audit alert. Your calming presence prevents meltdown hurt. Weather forecast flips to pouring sheets. Delivery truck misses loading beats. Thursday's curveballs test our resolve. Your solid backing helps us evolve. Thursday hiccup throws a soft stride. Weekly surprises we can't subside. Moments falter yet we realign. Partnership turns chaos to design. Parking ticket waves from windshield glass. Forgotten password locks vital access. No flawless path through workday maze. Shared resilience lights the haze. Thursday hiccup throws a soft stride. Weekly surprises we can't subside. Moments falter yet we realign. Partnership turns chaos to design.